Hey everybody, this is Rick with AmazingAccuracy.com. Today is May 15th, 2024. It is currently 12:52 p.m. Chicago time. All right, I want to do a quick recap video. The last video I put out was on April 20th. You can check my channel and you'll see the last video that I posted there. And I'll try to remember to put a link to that video down in the show notes description area. This video is basically a recap of the things that I shared with you on April 20th in that video. And that was 3 stocks that I believed would have positive potential leading up to mid-May. Well, today is the 15th of May. You can't get any more mid-May than the 15th of May. And so that is why I'm now coming on, giving you a recap, refresh your memory in case you looked at the video and then just kind of moved on with life and you have no idea how things turned out. Well, you're going to know because I'm going to share it with you right now. All right. If you take a look at my chart here, this is a daily chart of Charles Schwab. The 3 stocks that we're going to look at here are these top 3 that you see listed here. Now, if you go back to the original video, you'll notice that that was the only 3 that I had showing under this video thing here. And those are the 3 we're going to cover. We're not going to cover these, even though these were also markets that I believed were going to go up, but I didn't make a video for you, so you didn't know that I was doing these plays. I may have mentioned one of them, Billy. That was one that had really taken off. I was on this, and I mentioned this in the other video. I was in this trading forum, and I was trying to get the host attention, and I'm on there going, you know, WFC, 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 and I'm going, Billy, Billy, Billy. And they're like, what's a Billy? Okay, so anyway, that did really well. So, and so did SE, by the way, also right here, SE. That was another one where I was saying, hey guys, let's take a look. So I was pretty much, for the most part, ignored, or the host trading guru guy felt that it didn't look like a good setup for him. Well, shame, shame, because it turned out to be a good trade for me. Anyway, take a look here. I've marked up the Charles Schwab chart here with these arrows just to kind of draw your attention to the time frame of the last video to this video and so forth. This arrow right here is pointing to April 19th. So that was the last price bar that was showing when I made that video. And I said that I believe Charles Schwab was likely going to go higher up into mid-May at the least. Could continue on, that's fine. I was only concerned with one part of the cycle. As you can see here, the move has been up all the way to today, which is May 15th. It is still currently trading and it's up 105 at the moment. But as you can see, right now it's trading at 78.12. At the time that I shared it, it had a closing price of 73.42. So it's gone up almost $5 a share. I would say that one was a winner. Now, another thing too is I had shown some change of direction dates, which I call pivot dates, or at my futures membership. We don't do stocks, we do futures at F-Dates membership at AmazingAccuracy.com. These would be called F-Dates, but anyway, in this case here, we can see that I had said look for a turn to occur around 24.25. Here's 24, made this little swing top, pulled back to 425. It made this little minor attempt to go higher, and then pulled back down here to where on May, let's see, this May 1st, which is 1 day off of April 30th. It made this bottom to continue up. And you'll notice here, this arrow represented here by the 424, 425 correction here. And then the 430 would be this bottom right here. It's just within a bar. All right. Then it moved up to 5.3. That 5.3 actually was right here. The market did continue up for a couple of days before turning down. So not right on the money, but definitely pretty close. And then, of course, I did not give any more dates beyond these, but these worked out pretty darn good. They're old now, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of them. I don't need them. There we go. All right, clean up my chart. So that's that. I don't want these on here for the future. I just wanted to bring out to you that we definitely had a nice nearly about 4.5 per share. So that was definitely a good move and a good forecast. Now here's Merck. Again, the arrows are pointing to when I put out the video and suggested the stock as a bullish play into mid-May. You can see here was around, let's see, that's closing price was about 125.78. It is currently at 131.19. So another fiver move. So that worked good. Not fiber, fiver. I saw you looking at me funny there. All right, the next one's Verizon. Not as exciting, unfortunately, except the next day after I had released the video, it had this crazy move down here. First, it shot up like nuts. Okay, it came. Let's first get the closing price when the video was made was 40.49. Okay, so it shot up to around 41.67. Went all the way down to 38.56, all on earnings. One of the dangers of trading into earnings is it could just go crazy. It was positive earnings for Verizon, and yet it did this wild move down here. However, these positive earnings did eventually show up in stock prices as the price of Verizon now is up around 40.51. So you're kind of right back to where you started from for the most part. It's definitely not a loser. And except for this lousy day here, this would have been pretty good. So anyway, this is where the video was done. This is where we are right now. And as you can see, it's starting to pick up a little bit here off of positive earnings. But we can call that one a wash for full disclosure. Okay, and just as an aside though, so we're gonna call that 3 for 3 or 2 for 3, however you want to look for it. I hate to say 2 for 3 because the third one is not a loss. But here's the other ones. Billy right here. This was when I made the video. Billy shot up like crazy. It's been doing really good. I was going, Billy. They wouldn't listen to me. Okay, over here we have Wells Fargo. Now I'm going to find out where the video was made. Okay, it was around right there where it was made. It moved up. We had a pullback down to support, and it's back up again. So we're looking at originally somewhere around 58 price area, and we're currently at the 62 price area. So that worked out good. SE, same thing. Here's where the video was made, the time, okay, and yeah, I was screaming SE has gone up. Let's see, let's get some prices here. We're going to say about 57.40. Probably should have written all these prices down. And it is currently at 68.21. So definitely a great move. Delta Airlines, another one. came out really good. This one here was trading around 47.80, 48, somewhere around there. Currently at 53. And another one I got on here that I was involved in, this one here was down around 101.41. It is now at 128.18. All right, well, those are all the stocks I've been monkeying around with. The first three, though, is the ones that I had shared. But as you can see, I have pretty much a lot of winners across the board. I just wanted to share that. So in case you're keeping track, keeping count, there you go. Those were good singles and doubles. All right, well, thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, thoughts, comments, whatever, please leave them down in the comments. I do check them at least once a week to see what's up, and I will gladly respond to you if you have any questions about anything, and I appreciate you watching. All right, see you next time.